Brown versus Board of Education. Brown versus Board of Education of Topeka was a landmark decision of the U.S. Supreme Court in which the court ruled that American laws, state laws, establishing racial segregation in public schools are unconstitutional, even if the segregated schools are otherwise equal in quality. This case was the consolidation of cases arising in Kansas, South Carolina, Virginia, Delaware, and Washington, D.C., relating to the segregation of public schools based on the basis of race. In each of the cases, African American students have been denied admittance to certain public schools based on laws allowing public education to be segregated by race. They argued that the segregation violated the 14th Equal Protection Clause of the 14th Amendment. The plaintiffs were denied relief in lower courts based on Plessy versus Ferguson, which held that racially segregated public facilities were legal so long as the facilities for blacks and whites were equal. This was known as the separate but equal doctrine. Does the segregation of public education based solely on race violate the Equal Protection Clause of the 14th Amendment? Separate but equal educational facilities for racial minorities is inherently unequal, and it is a violation of the Equal Protection Clause of the 14th Amendment. And this was a unanimous decision that the separate but equal, the Plessy versus Ferguson ruling, was unconstitutional.